today?
Yeah, shout out to Bumper, saving the day. We had to go buy some adapters because
Debigulators.
Debigulators.
Yep.
We're working on the Skittle today. We need it out smashing cars on the streets of Mexico. We're working in a little bit of a clusterfuck garage, but we'll get it done. We'll do it. We'll do it. Earn something inch pounds for that. Yeah. Get that head gasket, bro. Bruh.
Good at two things. Head and gasket.
Roll the gaskets. Just like that?
They wrap everything in cellophane. And not like, hey, we'll give her a once over.
Like you're covering up a dead body or something?
There it is.
Ooh, there it is. Toss that on there.
Nice multi-layer.
Got 5 layer.
Nipples up or down?
There's nipples on them? I assume it only goes one way, anyways. Uh-oh, it goes in, no wait, that hole. Right here. That's it, that's the way. These nipples just fit over the side.
You sure?
Yeah, because this hole's the only one that matches up there. Oh. How come? I'll guide you this way towards you. Yes, but
Flashlight.
you got oil in your intake ports. Putting the ARP studs in now. This is fairly annoying putting them in with an Allen key.
I'll find it in a second.
Be smarter than the bottle.
I am the bottle. I am the liquor.
We're arping the studs. I mean the nuts. Just on like the threads and the face surface. It's really, really shitty to do. That shit's like thick.
So I'm just kind of putting a blob at the bottom.
And letting it circle around.
So we twerk it, twerk it, twerk it.
We're just doing an extra step. I'll do an extra one. I'm making circles on my way out, pretty much. Yeah. Actually, I probably should have snugged them down with a ratchet first. Yeah, you can make that one like 45. Hey, don't go to 45 though.
Well, you're going.
You're going to 25?
Yeah, and then we'll do 45, 65, 85.
We don't have anything that can go 45.
This doesn't go 45?
No, it starts at 50.
So then I'll go to 50. So you go to 30 then.
That one will go to 25. Wee. Yeah, shout out to Bumper, saving the day. We had to go buy some adapters because
Debigulators.
Debigulators because the 1/2-inch size socket is too thick. The wall is too thick, and it doesn't fit into tight spots. So they had to defucculate it. Land in juniper. Hopefully they got some good space weed.
How's my hair? Is it on Fleck Point Squad Goals? Meow Mix?
Fleck points?
Yeah. That's what the kids say nowadays.
Really?
Yeah.
Borat. Now her vagine hang like sleeve of wizard.
That gives such a bad mental picture.
Got it. Got him.
Street car.
Street car. It wasn't charged last year, was it?
Yep. And also maintaining the large 212-inch subwoofer. Putting the molly lube on everything.
Why not?
Because I fired copper molly on sweat.
Rockers.
I also have a random 12 in a box over there, and then 210 jails in the trunk of this.
Mom's 12 in a box. What? Oh yeah, we put the cams in. We tried to put the camera on. Cams are in. We have to find the bolts too. We had to time the motor now. Yay! Time. Why is there two lines on one side and then one on the other?
With this high-rise topper on, grandpa style. Yeah. Surprisingly, we're supposed to be good.
It's all timed now.
Doesn't have 210s. This was not my idea. Nate, how many Oggy Joggas here? I need your opinion. Yeah.
I think it was still sucking it in, that's why. Looks pretty sucked in now though. Yeah, that's in now.
So now
We have assembled long block.
turbocharger.
Turbos.
All the turbos.
Oh, there goes the gasket.
Oh, gotta replace it now.
Yeah. So I blew out my exhaust gaskets because those ones you guys told me are shit.
Look at it. Look at it, player. This is how far we got.
Nice running board.
Well, the long block's assembled. Gotta put all the accessories and stuff back on. The trans back on. Then we can drop this in there. Oh. And start smashing some V8s. Word up, homies. Gotta get ready for race season. All the race season technically already started.
Race wars in the desert.
Yeah.
Hey, it's right there.
Yeah, player. Yeah, player.
Take it down.
Again.
Hi,
Sounds sick.
I am. I'm dirty.
RX-7 again.